Okay, to factor this, step 1 is find if there's a GCF, greatest common factor to all the terms. And yes, they both have a 3 in them, so we can factor out 3, and we get this. Now that 3 will become part of our final answer in a little bit, but for now we need to focus on this right here. In the past we've done things like p squared minus 1, where it was p plus 1 and p minus 1, the sum and difference of squares. So when we're going to do this one similarly, since it's more than just p squared, what we'll do is we'll do p to the 4th plus 1 and p to the 4th minus 1, so that if you did FOIL this, p to the 4th times p to the 4th would give you p to the 8th, because remember, when you're multiplying, you add exponents. So at this stage, we're not finished though, because having two terms and a subtraction sign where both terms have a square root, we could break this one down further. This one we can't because it says plus. So that one will become part of our answer without changing it. But this one we can break it down into p squared plus 1 and p squared minus 1. Again, your p squared times p squared gives you p to the 4th, and so forth. If you did the FOIL, the O and the I would cancel out and all that. So again, we have the same situation here where this one can't break down any further because it says a plus. But this one, since it says minus, and it's both of them are, you can find a square root to, we can break this down even further, which is p plus 1, p minus 1. So we bring both of those down. So this had a pretty long answer to it. This whole thing is the answer.